Hi guys, welcome to CAD CAE tutorial. Today we are going to see and use a Solidworks software and how to this body is designed. And this is a pin design, and this pin is very useful in office, any university or any school, college. And this pin is very important, and this is a very important, and this is a office use here. And guys, and this pin is designed today discuss here and how to this body is designed. And also this is a 2D drafting is also available here. And guys, this body is very nice looking here. And this is a top view, and this is a front view, and this is side view, right view. And this is a right view means side view, and both is this all is a drafting here. And some important point is discussed here. All dimension in millimeter, and dome 1 millimeter is this is a elliptical dome, and 1 millimeter, and thickness is 2 millimeter is this thickness is 2 millimeter. And fillet is used here, this fillet is used here 18 millimeter. And some important point is discussed here. Okay. And okay, this body is a design here, and this is a looking perfect and correct. And this is a very useful and helpful use office. And okay. Okay guys, this lecture is very important for a beginner student, is very important also. And okay. Okay, let's start here. This body is design. Okay, at first drawing a part, and some important point is discussed here. Plane is white, and going to document property, and image quality is very high because because this is a all geometry, and all body is looking perfect. Okay. Okay, at first drawing this and okay, at first drawing this circle, and this circle is this is a use a 10 diameter is 10 millimeter. Okay, and this length is a 3 millimeter. And this is a drafting is available. This is a drafting is used here. Angle is 22 degree. Okay. Okay, and use a front plane because this body is a looking a front. Okay, and draw a circle, and the circle diameter is a 10 millimeter. Okay. Okay, and use a extrude boss is a 3 millimeter. Okay, and use a this is a use a draft on, and angle is a 22 degree. Okay. Okay, and this point is use here. This is use of fillet is 2 millimeter. And okay, and use a fillet is 2 millimeter, and use a this. Okay, and okay, this is a perfect. And next is a okay, next is a this line is drawing here, and this line is used here. This is a convert entities, and this 6 degree angle is drafting, and this length is a length is 99 millimeter is perfect. And this face is a sketch, and use a convert entities, and extrude boss, and this length is 9 millimeter. And also this draft angle, this draft is use a 6 degree angle. Okay, this is a perfect. This use a 6 degree angle, and this length is 9 millimeter and correct. Okay, this is a perfect. Okay, okay. And next is also this sketch and use a convert entities. Okay, and next is use here this body is design and use a this and use a this 0.8 millimeter and this use a 82-degree angle. Okay, also perfect and correct. Okay, and use a extrude boss and this length is 0.88. Okay, this is a perfect 0.8t. Okay, 0.8 millimeter and this body is correct and this use a okay, this use a perfect and this is a correct this thickness is available here and this is a use of this and okay, and use a op and this is a 82 and draft outward and this is a perfect. This use a 0.8 millimeter and 82-degree is a draft and draft is outward and click OK. This is a perfect. And also this face sketch and this thickness is used here. Okay, and use a convert entities and extrude boss. Extrude boss is this thickness is a 0.4 and click OK. 0.4 this is a very nice looking here and correct this 0.4 thickness is perfect and use a dome this feature and dome is 1 millimeter and click this face and use elliptical dome. This is a perfect. Click OK. This is very nice looking here and this okay, and some color is a okay, this color is select here and also okay, this is a perfect color and very nice looking here. And next point is a pin is drawing here and some use a important point. This pin is this diameter is a 2 millimeter and at first drawing this inside is 6 millimeter and outward is a 15 millimeter and again 3 millimeter is 90-degree. Okay, draft is available here. Okay, at first select this face sketch a normal or drawing a circle is this and this use a 2 millimeter diameter and use a extrude cut. Extrude cut is a 6 millimeter inside direction. Okay, and okay, and again this face sketch normal and convert entities. Okay, and use extrude boss base is apply here and this thickness is 15 millimeter. Okay, and 15 millimeter is a this is a merge result is unchecked because this is a very important. Okay, and click OK. Okay, and this and color is change here, and color is a chrome plate, and okay, chrome plate, and also use a nickel is also okay. Okay, this is a perfect, check undo, and this is a also check nickel is perfect, but chrome plate is better, chrome plate is better. Okay, and next is a this is a perfect, and also select this face sketch, convert entity is used here, and also use extrude boss, and this thickness is a 3 millimeter. Okay, and use a draft angle, and draft angle is a 90 degree. Okay, use a 90, but this is a perfect, and click OK, and also this and chrome plate is used here. And one important point is this is a fillet is a this thickness is not a use here, but some missing point, and this dome is 1 millimeter. Okay, correct, and fillet is a 18 millimeter, and this is a 18 millimeter is very important, and this fillet is used here, and click this line, and this is a 18 millimeter, and click this line and connect to this, and very important for this, and click this fillet use, and use a chrome plate. Okay, okay, all is perfect, and correct. This pin body is designed here easily and clearly. Okay, okay guys, I hope you will learn all process is learn here easily and clearly. Guys, any doubt about this lecture, then you go to comment box and write a comment. And guys, get at first more and more new videos. Please subscribe this channel and like and share. Okay guys, thank you.